Hi everyone, I'm Carl from SurDoc. Today I would like to introduce you to our SurDoc Developer Program and give you a tutorial on using our APIs to create your apps. If you sign up as a developer, each of your app users can get 10 gigabytes of free storage space. There is no expiration date on the usage. Our program is totally free. You and your users won't be charged for using this service. The only obligation you have is to add the Powered by SurDoc logo in your app. You can use it to store both users' files and app data. With our true privacy encryption technology, you can make a guarantee to your users that their data is well protected. Using our patented encryption method, no one on the server side will be able to decrypt the content. In this tutorial video, I will be showing you how to sign up for your developer account and to create your app key. Then I'll show you how to use the OAuth API to request an access token from SurDoc. With the access token, I will show you how to get user account information from SurDoc. In the last section, I will share with you some jQuery programming examples. Please use the link on line 6 to download the sample code and use that link so that you can follow along for the rest of this tutorial. To start the process, let's go to SurDoc.com. Go to the bottom of the page and click on the developers link. This is the developer's home page. The first thing you need to do here is to sign up for a SurDoc account. Please note that your user account is also your developer account. After you create your account, go back to the developer homepage and click on the App Console. If you haven't signed in, it will redirect to the Sign In page. Use your SurDoc account information to sign in. Click the Start button to create an app key for your application. Enter your application name and your site address for the app. Then click Submit. Now you have your app key and app secret for accessing the rest of the APIs. To view the rest of the API, click on the OAuth API link or the Core API links. The first step in your application is to request an access token from SurDoc. Using this URL, you will be able to make the request. Once SurDoc receives your request, it will call your program to pass you the information. Here is a sample PHP program that shows you how to receive your app key and to access your SurDoc resources. After you make a post request, you will receive the access and refresh tokens. Using this token, you can get the root directory ID and the available space for this account using the Space API. After you get the root directory ID, you can get all the directories and file IDs in this account by calling the Folders API by placing the root directory ID here. To test the program, you will need to call the Authorize API. You can find the information under OAuth API page under the First Leg section. Just put in your app key and your callback URI here. When you run this URL, it will either redirect to a login screen or an allow access screen depending on whether you have logged in before or not. If you are a new user, then you will have to create a SurDoc account first and then sign in. When you see the allow access screen, click allow. If you want to allow third-party access as a default, click the checkbox. By clicking the allow key, SurDoc will forward you the access token, the root directory ID, and the folder IDs. With these information, you can access all other APIs, including upload and download files, rename and delete files and folders. I have some jQuery sample code for you to try. It is included in the Line 6 download mentioned at the beginning of this presentation. The download includes instructions on how to use these jQuery codes. Put it on. Here is a sample jQuery program in action using a SurDoc demo account. The SurDoc directories and files for this account are all displayed. If you have any questions or comments, please send us a message at surdoc.com/support. Thank you for watching.